Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Mission channel. Today we will learn about how to capture a response time of a web application using an extension which is very handy to perform these actions to capture the response time. So if you consider this as an example of a web application, so I'm taking this Gmail as a web application. I wanted to capture the response time of this entire page. So what is a generic way that how you can check the response time of this page is without using any tool is going into the dev tools. So to see that you can do a inspect and you can select the network tab. Now if you just refresh this page, you will see some network logs coming here, and you will see this status code and everything. And then you go to the end, you will at the end you will see the size transferred, and you will see the time as well. If I expand, you will see a time. So I need to click this one of the call, and it will show you the time. So this will take a lot of time, and you will have to verify each and every link, so which is very tricky and which is time consuming. So to overcome that, there is a tool which is very handy from one of the provider called SelectorsHub. So that is this page load timer. So this is the one of the extension which is available for every browser. So I will add this to my browser extension. So you can select this, and you can select the browser that you wanted to add the extension. So I'm using the Firefox browser. I'm adding this to my Firefox. So now it is added to my Firefox. So this is the extensions where I can see the page load timer. So I can check this for all sites and pin this to toolbar so that I will see every time here. So I will close all these links which are not needed. So now this is the page I wanted to verify what is the load time. So I can close this DevTools as well. Now this is the page, and if I go to my home page, okay, just I will click on the get started. Now you can see there is a time which is coming here, 3.2 seconds. So if I click on it, you will see complete information about what all information that it captured. One is the redirect, DNS, connect, request, response, DOM, and the DOM you have a multiple parameters, and DOM is the main important where we will see the actual time it consumes to load the DOM is here, and this is a request and this is a response and total. So in the previous in the dev tools we have seen that multiple calls are going, and we don't know which call how many calls I need to consider for this page to confirm the time. But this tool help you to capture the entire time which is taken for that to load information, and it will give you the aggregate of the all calls with respect to this page. So this page taken 3.2 seconds to load. Now I will try to search for other page like Gmail. So if I try to click on this Gmail, I will see how much time it takes to load. So it is taken 1.7 seconds to load the information. So this is very handy tool to perform all these actions, and I can capture multiple applications at a time. So I just open on a Gmail. I can open any other website like Selenium. If I try to open Selenium, it will also capture the Selenium website also. And you can see how many records per load is 100 pages request you can find. So this is the information that is shared here. I can see the report using the view report. So if I click the view report, so how many website I have visited or how many web pages I have loaded, so all the information will be captured like this, and you will get the load time, average load time, timestamp, and the actions. So this load time is something which is already I have showed you, right? So this is the load time. So this is the load time which will be get updated here, and this is the average. So if I load multiple times this page, it will do the average and it will show the average number, and the timestamp when I recorded or when I loaded, so that time will be recorded here. And this copy URL is something the URL which is here, it will be a same URL. And view is something which I can just click on it and it will launch in a new tab with that open URL. The same URL will be open in the new tab. and then I can delete it, and I can do the Excel export, CSV export, or I can print. So all this you can perform. And the next one we have is the download also. You can download or you can clear the entire report using this button. So here you have a clear data. I can click this and I can clear the entire data. So if I just try to refresh, you will find nothing. And I can just click on documentation and it will load the time again. So this is the time. And I can do a quick settings that I can blacklist URLs, I can whitelist URLs. So it is like include and exclude. If I need to include only Selenium related web page, so say like this is a domain like called selenium.dev. So with respect to all this domain, I wanted to capture the website links, then I can put it under whitelist. If I need to block this website, I can put in the blacklist so that even though you try to navigate that website, it will not capture the data. And this is the where in the report we have seen, right, how to average. So if I say the keep duplicate URLs in the report, so it will capture a multiple refresh or a multiple actions that we perform on the same page, it will be captured that information in the same report. So this is a quick and handy tool that you can try to verify with the page load time and the duration that it taken. Hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section and I'll help you out. Thank you.